Here's all you need to make your own chili oil. Save you wasting money, keep buying chili oil. Get yourself some nice oil. Get one with a high smoking point if you can, because you're going to heat it up. And then you can either chop up some dried chilies like I'm going to do, or if you haven't got those, just use chili flakes. If you're using dried whole chilies like I am, just get them into a blender, seeds and all, and pulverise them. Alternatively, as I said, just use chili flakes. Now heat up a pan, and whatever you're going to keep your chili oil in, put the oil in so you get the measurement right. I've left it off for it because obviously you're going to add a load of chilies to it. To check that the oil is heated up enough, just put in a couple of flakes. There you are, it's got a sizzle on. And so just go in with the rest of your chili flakes. Just going to let them fry for a few seconds. That few seconds frying drags out the oil, in other words the heat and taste of the chilies. Once they've simmered down a bit, turn it off the heat and let those cool down completely before you're going to put them back into the jar. Once it's cooled down enough, it's time to get your chili oil into the pot you're going to keep it in. Once it's in there, on with the lid, and then you're going to leave that for around a week so that the chilies really permeate the oil. Of course, once you've done your own chili oil, you can then throw any herbs you want into there, garlic, whatever you want. So put that to one side and let's come back to it in a week. Once your oil and your chili has had a week to infuse, then time to strain it. You can of course just serve it like that if you want the chili bits in it, but if you want the sort of pure oil, time to strain it. And then you end up with that sort of beautiful thing. Use liberally on your food.